Hi, welcome to the past question and answer review session for separation of mixtures. Without much ado, let's commence. Question number 1 says liquefied air is mainly a mixture of nitrogen and oxygen which can be separated by dash if the boiling point of oxygen is minus 183 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of nitrogen is minus 196 degrees Celsius. How do we separate them into its components? The answer is rather simple. The boiling points of oxygen and nitrogen are not far apart, so we employ fractional distillation. Question number 2 states 2 criteria for purity. The criteria for purity are 1. Pure substances have definite boiling and melting points. 2. Pure substances usually yield 1 chromatogram after chromatography. Question number 3 says a mixture of powder forms of sulfur and iron can be best separated by dash. The best method to separate this mixture of iron and powder sulfur is using magnetic separation, because iron is magnetic and hence will be attracted to the magnet and be separated out of a mixture of powder sulfur. Question number 4 says copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 pentahydrate is obtained from an aqueous solution of copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solution. How is it obtained? The answer is through crystallization, because 1. Copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 pentahydrate is actually thermolabile, that is not stable to heat, and 2. It contains water of crystallization, which is a unique property of salts separated through crystallization process. And that brings us to the wrap and conclusion of separation of mixtures.